In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use functions in Excel. We are going to walk through one simple example of a function, using the sum function to add numbers together. This is a great starting point, because sum is one of the most commonly used functions in Excel, and it helps you see how functions work right away. Before we begin, make sure you are looking at an Excel worksheet, and that you can see cells with values in them. Also, keep an eye on cell references like A2 and B2, because those labels tell you exactly where to click and what to type. First, click cell B2. Take a moment to locate B2, which is in the second column and the second row. When you click it, you should see a border around the cell, and you may also see a blinking cursor ready for text or formulas. This is the place where the result of the sum function will appear. If you click a different cell by mistake, simply click B2 again so you are entering the formula in the correct location. Now with B2 selected, you are going to type the beginning of the sum function. Type an equal sign followed by sum, and then open parentheses. So your typing should look like this, equal sign sum, .3. As you type, Excel usually starts to recognize functions. You are aiming to enter the exact structure of the formula, because Excel functions rely on that formatting. The equal sign tells Excel that you are entering a formula, not just text. The parentheses signal that you are about to provide arguments, which is the data range you want Excel to calculate. Next, you will select the range of cells that you want to add. Click and drag from cell A2 to A4. This is the part where you choose the numbers that will be included in the sum. As you click and drag, you should see the highlighted selection expand across the cells from A2 through A4. Make sure the selection stops at A4. It is easy to accidentally drag one cell too far, so look carefully at the highlighted area before you release the mouse button. After you have selected A2 through A4, the formula should be filling in the cell range automatically. Now you will need to finish the function by typing the closing parenthesis. In other words, you will end up with something like equal sign sum A2 A4. The colon and the dash inside Excel notation indicate a continuous range, which in this case means all cells from A2 to A4. Once the formula looks correct, press Enter. Pressing Enter tells Excel to calculate the result using the values in cells A2, A3, and A4. Immediately after you press Enter, you should see the sum appear in cell B2. This output is your confirmation that the function worked properly. If the value in B2 is not what you expect, check that you selected A2 through A4 correctly and that parentheses were added in the right places. Now that you have the sum function working, it is worth taking a quick moment to understand what Excel did. Excel took the numbers in A2 through A4, added them together, and displayed the total in B2. This is the basic pattern for many Excel functions. You start with an equal sign, write the function name, and then provide a range or values inside parentheses. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know for using the sum function in Excel, starting from selecting the right cell, typing the formula, selecting the range, and pressing Enter to get your result.